Right, so we're here at Ellesmere Port on the 18th of November at 1800 hours, and at 1800 hours I came onto this back aisle here and went past that deli section there, and all of a sudden Jehovah God at 1800 hours on the 18th of November has given us a sign via electrical interference, as he keeps doing in this light system. And as it says in Malachi 3:18, you shall see the difference between a righteous person and a wicked person, one who serves him and one who doesn't. This is more revelation from God, Jehovah. It's getting to be on a daily basis now, the significance in times, dates, places, numbers. The signs keep coming stronger and stronger every single day. Malachi 3:18 on the 18th of November at 1800 hours. Today's the 21st of November. It's 7:11 in the AM. And that's another piece of electrical interference from Jehovah. Every day I come past here, this never happens. He's chosen to do it on the 21st of November. Look at this cannot be anything other than supernatural. I come in here sometimes with a friend of mine, Matthew, and we always sit in the doorway here, just on the left side. And it's the 21st of November. Now Revelation 21 in the Bible talks about there being a new heaven and a new earth, for the former earth and the former heaven has passed away. And there will be no more sea, and the only thing will be the new Jerusalem. He could have chosen to do this on any day whatsoever. He's chosen the 21st at 7:11 in the morning. And not only that, in the building which I live, which I'll show next, it's happening there as well, just today, when I came down to go out. For anyone else who wanted more proof, this is the building that I live in, the flat block that I live in. And he's chosen today to do that, the 21st of November 2024. Is there any more evidence required that this is supernatural happening, sent directly from Jehovah? Right, I've just come into Eccles, and as I've walked underneath this lamppost here, it turned on. Literally, while I was right underneath it, it was 100% accurate. And as I've turned around, look at that. The lamppost switched off, and then exactly to the right of it, look at that interference. That is amazing. That is 100% completely accurate. There is no error there whatsoever. It is not a matter of coincidence, and it is not for discussion with any people who are atheists, who do not want to believe that I am being communicated with directly by Jehovah God in the form of electrical transmissions and interferences. Now I'm going to walk in this direction. If this turns on, it's just going to confirm it 100%. Look at this light. I walked past here earlier, it was not on. And I'll get the exact time when it came on now in a second. That light has just gone off as I've stood next to this. It's a triangulation there, you see? It's a triangulation. There's a triangle from there to there, right over there, onto them other two. There, you see it? Right into them other two, which have also been giving off the signals. There. Right outside the post office. These are going to start kicking off now. So that's a triangle that is 100% confirmed electrical communication from Jehovah God. It is not for discussion with any atheist people who are too stupid. Jehovah is communicating effectively and efficiently through the use of electrical appliances and systems. I have mapped in this street here. I've got some more additions early tonight, so add to it. That was just coming as I just turned around. That is unbelievable. Anyone who denies this is quite frankly an idiot on low IQ. Incredibly low wattage people, not even worth discussing it with. Jehovah will draw you all, just as Jehovah is drawing the power to these light appliances now. And you will know that I am his messenger. Look at that one as well. Oh my God, try denying this now. Try denying this. And right in the middle of this triangle, is it, you see it, come on then, as I've started moving towards it. The ring for this one must be massive, the electromagnetic field. And right in the middle of this triangle, would you believe it, is the cross. The cross that Christians believe that Jesus was crucified on, which is a completely false teaching. It is a stake. The word, translated from Greek, does not mean ever, look at that, look, it never means two pieces of wood joined together at any angle. It means a stake. And for those of you that say it can be a complete coincidence, why is it not happening to any of the other lights? Why is that just come on again as I put me into the cross? Why is it happening to none of the other lights? Only the ones that I'm near. This is the 22nd of November 2024, on the anniversary of the murder of John F. Kennedy. This is a double activation, maybe a triple. I've not seen a third yet. Should be over there somewhere if it is. There you go. There you go. So it's a triple activation. That green shop there is number 1. That one's number 2 on the left, the dark green shop. Go over here. And there's the third one over there. So triple activation in a triangle formation yet again. 1, 2, 3, and now 4. It's a quadruple activation. I've never seen this before. This is a first. So not only is the signalling system getting more frequent in the activations, but it's increasing in the amount of points that are reacting at once, the amount of appliances that are affected by the signal. That one just started doing it. That one has just started doing it there. That is now 5 appliances in one place that are being affected by Jehovah's signal, and none of these, oh my God, none of these are motion activated. I'm gonna go one time, see if we can get them both in frame at the same time. Yeah. See what happens here. There's that one. And then this one may come on soon. Try and work it out. See if I go closer to it, see if it makes it react. This is now a 5 appliance reaction. I've never even seen a quad. This is a 5 appliance reaction. You've got one in that shop over there, which is green. Sorry, light green. One in the dark green shop, one in that shop there. That's 3. Then you've got this appliance here, and this appliance here, both lights. All 5 of them are lights. Receiving Jehovah's signal. In my presence only. I have never seen anything like this in my life. And for those of you that doubt, you really have to ask yourself, what are you even going on? Where is the basis for your doubt? This is proof that it's not motion activated. Look, there's normal NPCs walking underneath it. No reaction whatsoever. All day people are going through here. So it's actually in that shop there, roast, I think. Oh no, it's that yellow shop there, the convenience shop. Right. There's the 3rd one. I actually thought it was a triple activation system. It's not. There's 5 of them. I've never seen anything like this in my life. This can only be to signal that the last days are among us, and it's coming any time soon. It's got to be any day now. Jehovah God is giving you his final warnings. I've never seen anything like this in my life. In fact, I think death may be upon me. Death may be upon me, and it may be imminent. This one's just not coming back on. I think I've killed it. That one's just gone off.